I hope you're all having a nice and blessed evening. You can see it, sun's out. It's gorgeous still. I've been seeing my therapist today. That went well, as normal. I'm loving the actual work and everything else that gets put in. You can actually eat that, shall I? I won't though. Watercress that's been grown in my pond. No thank you. Look at your pond. I'll put some powder down for my babies. I've got quite a few babies. They're just harder to spot now because they're going further down. Take it out, walk down the garden. Still got that shaggy thing on. There we've got Miss Who. What are you doing, Who? What are you doing, Who? What are you doing, Bam Bam? What are you doing? What are you doing, my babies? She's that girl, aren't you? She's that girl. I don't know if... Let your Misty's inbox. Misty! I do that because sometimes she does actually come. She's a weird one. She's a weird one. Well, you all saw from that video last night. Yeah, I had to put my hoodie on because she got, yes. She were enjoying humping Dad's head. The owls are like that, especially females. You just have to go steady because it done half out when them talons grab hold. What are you doing, Japan? Well, it's took us a year. And we've got the amount of work we've got done. I mean, never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd have all this up and running. And you got to think I have daft ideas, so that were an after idea, the bog. So all that had to be done. Like you can see down there, there's some babies. But that turned out really well, and it's working really well as well. You can't see the amount of stuff that's in there at the minute because they've all died back. There's lily pads and what in there. Well, root. Well, I've got one. Lucky 31. With Japan, yeah, and scales to or something else. I hope everybody is well and you've had a brilliant day. Just love being out here when it's like this. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. I've got a few logs to do. Not a lot. I can't do them until that's sorted. What you doing, Bam Bam? What are you doing, my girl? What are you doing? God knows what's up with this camera. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually looked really blurry to me then. Whoa. Next is my extension on this. That'll be next year. Well, I'm putting nursery in. So we're going to split some of the fish. I know there's plenty of room, but yeah. And there's all these babies still. I suppose I will probably rehome some next year, some of these babies. What are you doing, Japan? What are you doing? On scales. Tiger. We still haven't got a name for that one there, the black and white one. If anybody, yeah, that can come up with a good name, let me know. Because I'm after ideas. I know I constantly turn phone, but there's always something different to see. It's mad. Maybe it's just down there as well. See if I can get them to do. There we go. It's sort of working. It's something that I've been doing last few days, and they are getting closer to me. Especially Spock. Mind you, Spock wasn't really that bad to start off with, and these are excellent. It's something that I've got to keep doing and testing them with. Well guys, I suppose that's me, just a little check-in. I hope everybody is well, and if you won't mind, drop that as a like. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.